Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Activating Microsoft Office 365 using the command prompt is a powerful way to manage your software license. This method is very useful if you encounter activation errors or if the standard login screen does not work correctly. It uses a built-in script called the Office Software Protection Platform. To start, you must open the command prompt with administrative rights. Click your Start menu and type CMD in the search bar. Right-click the result and select Run as Administrator to grant the necessary permissions. Now you need to find the specific folder where Office is installed on your hard drive. Use the Change Directory command by typing CD followed by the file path. For most 64-bit computers, the path is C:\program files /Microsoft Office /Office16. If you have a different version, your folder name might be slightly different. Once you are in the right spot, you will use the script to enter your product key. Type script ospp.vbs followed by a slash and the command and key. Then type your 25-digit product key and press the Enter key. After the key is installed, you must tell the system to activate it. Type script ospp.vbs followed by a slash and the command ACT. The system will now connect to the Microsoft servers to verify your license details. Wait for a few seconds until you see a message stating that the product activation was successful. You can now close the window and open any Office application like Word or Excel. Your software is now fully licensed and ready for use on your computer. This simple process ensures your productivity remains high.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.